CyberSafe 101. Game streaming. Description. This video is designed to raise awareness on game streaming. Through engaging visuals and clear explanations, viewers will gain valuable insights into game streaming, empowering them to make informed decisions and take appropriate actions to enhance their security. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced individual, this video offers valuable knowledge and practical tips to help you navigate game streaming safely and securely. Join us as we delve into game streaming and equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to stay protected in today's digital landscape. Greetings, fellow gamers and digital voyagers. Today, we embark on a voyage through the expansive seas of game streaming platforms. These platforms offer a thrilling opportunity for players to broadcast their gameplay live to audiences worldwide, fostering connections and communities like never before. However, amidst the excitement lies a treacherous current of risks, including doxing, harassment, and copyright infringement, threatening the safety and security of streamers. Join us as we navigate these turbulent waters and chart a course towards safer shores. Let's set sail on this quest for balance and protection in the realm of game streaming platforms. Segment 1. Unveiling the power of game streaming platforms. Game streaming platforms have emerged as vibrant hubs of digital interaction, enabling players to share their gaming adventures with a global audience. Let's uncover the allure of these platforms. 1. Global reach. Game streaming platforms transcend geographical boundaries, allowing players to connect with audiences from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Whether you're showcasing your gaming prowess or sharing heartfelt moments, the global reach of these platforms fosters a sense of unity and camaraderie among players worldwide. 2. Real-time interaction. Unlike traditional media, game streaming platforms offer real-time interaction between streamers and viewers, creating dynamic and engaging experiences. Whether it's responding to viewer comments, answering questions, or collaborating on gameplay, the interactive nature of game streaming platforms cultivates a sense of community and connection. 3. Content creation opportunities. Game streaming platforms provide fertile ground for content creators to showcase their creativity and talent, opening doors to new career opportunities and revenue streams. Whether you're streaming gameplay, hosting talk shows, or producing tutorials, the versatility of these platforms empowers content creators to explore and express their passions in innovative ways. 4. Community building. Through shared experiences and shared interests, game streaming platforms serve as catalysts for community building, fostering friendships and fostering supportive networks. Whether it's organizing charity streams, hosting gaming tournaments, or participating in collaborative projects, the sense of belonging and camaraderie cultivated on these platforms is truly remarkable. Segment 2. Navigating the risks of game streaming. While game streaming platforms offer boundless opportunities for connection and creativity, they also present a myriad of risks and challenges for streamers. Let's explore some of the dangers lurking beneath the surface. 1. Doxing and privacy breaches. Streamers are vulnerable to doxing attacks, where their personal information is exposed to malicious individuals, leading to harassment, stalking, or identity theft, whether it's inadvertently revealing personal details or falling victim to targeted attacks. Streamers must remain vigilant in safeguarding their privacy and security. 2. Harassment and cyberbullying. Streamers may face harassment and cyberbullying from viewers or trolls, ranging from offensive comments and threats to malicious actions aimed at disrupting their streams. Whether it's derogatory remarks, hate speech, or targeted attacks, streamers must have mechanisms in place to address and mitigate instances of harassment on their channels. 3. Copyright infringement. Streamers risk copyright infringement when broadcasting gameplay, music, or other copyrighted content without proper authorization, potentially leading to content takedowns, strikes, or legal action. Whether it's playing copyrighted music, showcasing third-party content, or using copyrighted assets, streamers must navigate copyright laws and licensing agreements to avoid legal repercussions. 4. Monetization pitfalls. Streamers may encounter challenges with monetization, including ad revenue fluctuations, sponsorship conflicts, and platform policies that restrict certain forms of monetization. whether it's diversifying revenue streams, negotiating favorable contracts, or adhering to platform guidelines, streamers must adopt a strategic approach to monetization to sustain their channels long-term. Segment 3, Strategies for Safer Streaming. In the face of these risks, streamers can take proactive steps to shore up their defenses and protect their channels from harm. Let's explore some effective strategies. 1. Maintain strict privacy settings. Strengthen your privacy settings on game streaming platforms to restrict access to personal information and prevent doxing attacks. Whether it's hiding your real name, location, or contact information, maintaining strict privacy settings is the first line of defense against privacy breaches and harassment. 2. Moderate your community. Implement robust moderation tools and policies to manage your community and mitigate instances of harassment, cyberbullying, and toxicity. Whether it's appointing moderators, setting clear rules, or using automated moderation tools, proactive community management is essential in fostering a safe and welcoming environment for your audience. 3. Educate your audience. Educate your audience about the importance of respectful behavior and responsible content consumption, encouraging positive interactions and mutual respect on your channel, whether it's through community announcements, educational content, or interactive discussions. Fostering a culture of respect and accountability among your audience is crucial in maintaining a healthy streaming community.